Well, hello, it's Robert Heffernan with EndoTech. This is Blockchain Vitals, our daily show segment, whatever you want to call it, covering cryptocurrencies, blockchain assets. I'm a master endotechnician, firmly in the matrix, and I like the matrix. You know, the matrix it's a good. How about this? Before we go to the rounds, in fact, I should do this in the rounds, but I'm going to preempt the rounds. The powers that be on the liberal side are introducing a tax in Illinois, a transaction tax, a financial transaction tax. I wanted you to put $1 on every financial transaction, every trade, because a trade is a financial transaction, in commodities, so, you know, the Chicago Board of Trade, the Chicago Mercantile Exchange, which is the Chicago... We bought them. All right, let's get that straight first, right? The Chicago Mercantile Exchange bought the Board of Trade. Anyway, I diverge. And the exemption is things that are done in an open outcry environment. So, you know, maybe they're going to open those pits back up, get those people back in there. I mean, it's right out of Trading Places, this fiasco of an idea to impinge on free markets for free men. We used to have badges like that on the floor. Blows me away. Anyway, I still got my trading jacket, so I can jump right back into the pit if they need me. Let's do the rounds. All right, doing the rounds. It's my chance to talk about maybe a headline or a tweet or something. Today is a tweet from the Daily Hold, and it's Coinbase now, back-to-back days in the news after launching XRP and Stellar, now eyeing 28 new coins for launch on Coinbase. Congratulations to Coinbase catching up to some of the other players in the exchange space. And you know what? It's just... I got to tell you, they have probably the deepest pockets, or some of the deepest pockets in the exchange space. And they're only going to grow deeper with the more coins that they can cover. And as, you know, institutions get into this play and are worried about custodianship, they seem to be doing a good job there. So congratulations to Coinbase on their continued evolution in the space. Anyway, let's talk price action. All right, so let's take the vitals. Taking the vitals, the Blockchain Vitals sheet up every day at EndoTech.io. And the sheet, believe me, I have used the sheet for a long time. I can't put the years on it, but a long time. And the thing that the sheet does for you is it for sure gives you some, you know, an added layer of discipline, right? An added layer of discipline. I'll say this all the time, that you need discipline. You need to... You can't marry your losers, right? And you have to let your winners run. And that's been the same success game plan for pretty much ever in trading anything. So that's what the sheet does. It gives you potentiality in the market on that pivot model and those targets, the standard deviation modeling, and the value range. Those three things, man, I got to tell you, there's hundreds, maybe thousands of different indicators out there, different ways to play. But if you pay attention to value ranges, if you pay attention to standard deviation modeling and the pivot modeling because of the targets, especially the targets on what you can expect out of a market on any particular day, those disciplines will help you, I guarantee it. Anyway, we are covering XLM this week. And as you know, 2 days in a row, they tried to get to that weekly up momentum level at 1161. Not able to get there. Right now, trading 1091 and not really able to pull back to that up momentum level. And as I said yesterday, it takes a couple days sometimes when there's extreme action for the standard deviation modeling to catch up. So now room to 1170. Up momentum collar on the daily, matching up fairly well 1161 with that up momentum level on the weekly. I love it when important levels line up on multiple time fractals. You got to add more weight to when that happens. So any rally today in XLM that gets to that area, if you are not taking profits, you're going to be in that pig category as far as bulls, bears, and pigs go. Anyway, that's what I'm seeing in XLMs, so that's what I'm seeing. Mind the mo for sure. Let your winner run, and you got room now to 1170 on the daily. 1210 is the actual an outperforming level, that third target on the pivot model. So that's what I'm looking at. I'm going to say goodbye to the YouTube crowd. You need to be an EndoTech subscriber, so please visit EndoTech.io and subscribe, and you will get the full segment. Not only that, you will get access to the site, to the Blockchain Vitals sheet, to individual coin signaling on lots and lots of these coins. So please do that. Go to EndoTech.io and subscribe, and then you get to watch the whole segment. All right, listen, see you later, YouTube.